Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Conclusion: don't file a claim for minor damage, but if a significant storm occurred and there is evidence of damage, go ahead and file a claim. But be careful who you let file your claim if you don't do it yourself. Our home got hit pretty hard by a hailstorm. You could see little dents all over our shingles.
Let's help you make your mark.
Short answer: yes. If you are trading in your vehicle for another at a car dealership, they will access the value of the vehicle minus the cost to repair the auto hail damage. If you have a few dents or dings on an otherwise next to perfect condition car, your rating could go from good to fair when appraised.
Let's help you make your mark.
You should be aware that you'll likely have to pay a deductible on any insurance claim made in order to receive coverage for damage to your home. For example, say you have a $1,000 home insurance deductible and you need to make a $5,000 claim after a hailstorm damages the shingles on your roof.
Make your mark, take our lead.
As with any damage, hail dents can certainly lower the value of a vehicle during resale. If you file a claim through insurance, it will be listed on the vehicle's history report. However, the devaluation should be nominal if you've gone through the right channels to get the hail damage repaired.
Take our lead.
How much does hail damage repair cost? Hail damage repair bills can range anywhere between $1,000 to $10,000. In some cases it can be even more, especially if your car needs expensive replacement parts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.